Okay, welcome back to another video. On this video, this will be a very fast video. This video will show you how you save your evidence perfectly, articulately, immaculately for activity 3. Okay, so without further ado, we've done our queries, we've done 3A, 3B, 3C because we've watched all the videos that I did and you know what you're now doing. So you open the file where you save your evidence. Okay, so you open your Word document that they provide you with, the learner files. You open the learner files. Okay, so you open the correct one for the activity that you were doing. We're doing activity 3, so you open that one. So the next thing we do for query 1, this is 3A. So for 3A, what did we have to do? This is what we had to do for 3A. So we're saving the evidence to show that we did this. So we add a screenshot of the design view of our query. So we go to 3A, we go to design view, and you make sure we can see everything that you've typed on your query, and you use your snipping tool. Snipping tool is available on every Windows machine. So you click on new, and you only need to take a screenshot of this. Okay, that's the first screenshot. Then the next screenshot is the datasheet view that shows that your query is showing the correct results. So click run. Now when you take a screenshot of the datasheet view, make sure you show the name of what you saved your query as. Okay, that's it for 3A. The next one is activity 3B. So this activity 3B, that's query 2. Okay, so we go to the design view. So make sure that we can see everything in your boxes. So that's why I'm dragging the columns here so I can see. If you don't show what you typed in, you're not going to get the marks, full stop. So if you've taken all that time to do all that hard work to make sure that the query actually works, wouldn't it be a shame to not get the marks just because you didn't bother to make sure we can read everything displayed here? Click new. Perfect. Lovely jubbly. There we go. We can resize this. So next is the datasheet view. I click run. So I'm going to type in Friday. Okay. Then the last one, which is 3C. So if applicable, add design view and datasheet view screen prints of any queries the report uses. So we'll do the design view of the report first. So we go to our report and we go to design view. So make sure we can see any formulas that you typed in. Okay, on this examples we didn't type in any formulas, so we're okay. Right. So now we can add the design view of the query that we did for 3C. So we go to design view. Again, make sure that we can read everything that you would have typed in. this is gonna be a long screenshot. Right, we can see everything clearly here. It's quite tight, but we can see everything. Okay. Oh, that wasn't as bad as I thought. So the last screenshot is the datasheet view of the query. So remember, show the name of how you would have saved the query so that they can also clearly see this is indeed the query created for the 3C report. Okay. The last part is to save your report as a PDF. Ensure you have also saved a PDF version of the database report. Please, please, you do not attach your PDF to the Word document. Please, people, read the instructions on the paper. All here they've told you is to remember to save your report as a PDF. They did not tell you you have to attach your PDF onto this Word document. They tell you on the instructions. So activity 3D, save your database report. They even put it in brackets, not as a screen print, as a PDF in your submission folder, and name it basically that. So we'll save our Word document first. Remember, it needs to be saved as a PDF. If you save this as a Word document and submit it, you're going to get 0 for activity 3. And that is a promise. We've had many students in the past where we've seen the example of what they submitted and it was actually correct, but because they didn't save as a PDF, they awarded 0 marks. Now you could argue if that is it harsh or whatever, but you get 0 marks. Do you want to take that chance? So to save as a PDF, just click on File, click on Export, create PDF. Simple as. That's the one you want to create. So I've already created my submission folder. So it's your center number, followed by your ID number, followed by your surname, followed by the first letter of your first name. And then, how did it tell us to save it again? Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So registration number, I put 20333. Oh, sorry, this part, look who's not reading instructions. Yeah, registration number is your ID number. 20333, that's the center number. So ID number for this random person is C211111111. Frost, first letter of the first name is J. Okay, so I read the instructions just to make sure. Yep, this is correct. I save this as a PDF. Now to save the report, you make sure your report is closed. You right click your report, you navigate to export, and you select PDF or XPS. Right. How does it tell me to save the report? Save as activity 3D. Okay, so the only difference between this one and this one is the letter D. So I click this name to save me time, then I just add the letter D. And I click save. I click close. I check it saved my evidence correctly, which it has done. And I open my files just to make sure that I can see. If you can't see your evidence clearly, how do you expect the marker to see it clearly? Okay, this is clear. and the report. Is it all fitting onto one page? Yeah, the information needed is fitting onto one page. And folks, that is it. That is how you save your evidence for activity 3A, 3B and 3C. Okay, catch you on the next one.